Hi, how are you? I hope you're all doing fine. Today, let's draw a very simple, easy scenery. You can see I'm using the sign pen and drawing the hilly landscape, which is somehow elevated from the regular surface. Okay, and here we're going to draw a house. Let's use another pen and going to draw the formations or the regular body of the house. And now we are going to draw the pitched roof. Behind it we are going to draw another one which is bigger, and doing the extensions here. And for this one, the bigger pitched roof has a bigger frame, and we're going to draw the horizontal bars and the pitched roof. Let's draw again the parallel to the previous one. Behind it, we're going to draw the extensions of a solid block, which is also a part of the building. That looks structurally very strong and nice presentations. Here you can see the chimney. Okay, and because the log cabin, just putting few details. This is going to be the window, and here you can see the door and another window. So simple house. All right, now we're going to draw a bigger tree, and this is going to be just going upward directions. You can see the branches. Okay, and drawing the other branches without leaves, possibly because of the winter times. All right, so putting the solid colors. For the forma. Okay, and in the bottom, just drawing the greenery landscapes. And after putting the outlines, we are going to put the colors. All right, so here we're going to put the solid colors for the soil or the ground, which is somehow the hilly area. So you can see the highland, which is going to be uprise from the ground level in a significant height. Looks like the house is situated on the hilltop, so somehow it's almost a solid color. Just putting it horizontal. ভিডিও করতেছি
শেষে দেয়
না,
মেলার সময় দেখবো
ভিডিওর মাঝখানে।
শেষ করবো খারাপ কম দিতেছে
Okay, so after this one, putting the colors here with the crayons. You can see the greeneries. So it's like a multicolor presentations. On the top, just putting the solid green, okay, dark green and the light green. Let's see. So this is all going to be the dark green, and this is the light green around it. The tree is complete. For the house, we're going to put the color. You can see here the dark brown. Awesome. And the rooftop is going to be the red color. So let's put the red with the sign pen, which is the darker color. Okay, another one. This is also darker color. So all the height and the balanced rooftop is going to be the darker color. Awesome. So these are the main structural elements which is showed on the height. Okay, and from the top just putting a staircase which is just coming to the downward directions. Okay, here we're going to see some pointy trees, some together and some are separate. So just drawing the forma. You can see here few trees, and also putting the greens within the trees, so looks nice. Another smaller tree we're just going to draw here on the side of the house, not that much bigger, a little bit smaller, but after drawing the branches you can see it's almost merged with the height of the building. Okay, and behind it we're going to put the sky like a orange and the yellow sky, so putting the orange part on the top and putting the yellow part after it. So this is a different types of colors. Usually the sky is colored by blue, but here you can see the yellow and the orange. So that means it's like a evening sky. So color variations, everything you can see looks like a simple painting, simple drawing, a nice house on a hilltop. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.